Hey, good afternoon. I'm unboxing my plant products, my box, wellness box from Young Living. You want to see what I got? Let's see. This is actually my second order because I use so many of these things. Oh, this is a cool thing. You can get labels for all your essential oils. And so if they're like in a jar or in a you could see exactly the top what they are. All right, stuff for my hair. I got 2 of our favorite conditioner, Lavender Mint, for all of us with long hair now. My daughters and even my husband use that. Oh, and I love this supplement, Sulfurzyme. It's a powder you put in your water, or that's what I do, water, and I put some Ningxia Red in there too. But it's so good because it has MSM, and so it helps with your skin, hair, nails, even your joints, and so many other things. So that, oh, some of my makeup, my foundation, all and everything is non-toxic, good. Here's, I use this multitasker, I think that's what it is, for my eyebrows, and it could also be like eyeshadow. No, I don't use it eyeshadow, eyeliner. And some oils. And oh, my other supplement that I use all the time, take all the time, is Life 9 Probiotics. Just a little tricky. Hey, and you know what I love to do is reuse these tubes. There's my probiotics. Have to have good gut health. Really, everything affects your gut and your colon. Oh, and for the kids, my girls love taking, well, they love how they feel after taking their Mightyzyme chewable enzymes. And they take that with their biggest meal of day, which is dinner most of the time. We reuse these a lot. They're great to start a fire. They also are, my daughters do a lot of like arts and crafts. My older daughter this week made some kind of amplifier for speakers for school, and they had to use a paper towel roll, but this worked even better. Anyway, we use these a lot. Okay, now I got some free oils. Oh, yeah, I bought this one, though, Winter Nights. I thought it was only going to be for the holidays, but especially my husband, Joel, loves this. He actually likes it for sleeping. So this goes in the diffuser almost every night, Winter Nights. It has like peppermint, cedar wood, orange, Northern Lights black spruce. I think that's all. I'm going to check. It smells really good. It definitely smells woodsy and happy. Yeah, I think I got them all. Okay, so I got for free Ylang Ylang, a wonderful like romantic oil, but also I like it for sleeping in the diffuser. It's also good for your skin and hair. There's a lot of other reasons to use it. It's a very pretty floral oil. And I was so excited that I got Stress Away for free a second time, because this is my second Essential Rewards order. And this is still always been my favorite. I put it on all the time, and I diffuse it all the time because it just smells so good. That lime and vanilla just is a wonderful blend. It just makes me so happy. So that, and I almost forgot what this is. Oh yeah, and patchouli. So it's great to have a supply of this. It's also really good for skin. I like it in the springtime, especially to make a diffuser blend with like lime or a citrus and lavender and patchouli. It smells really good. It's like you can, when you DIY perfumes, or it's the base notes, I believe. And you need that kind of grounding, earthy smell. So lots of uses that I'm not going to share right now, but with patchouli. So that's my order. Lots of hair, gut, and makeup stuff. I hope you have a great rest of your day.